Hello everyone. ഇന്നും അപ്പം ഞങ്ങളുടെ വീക്കെൻഡ് ആണ്. ഒരു വീക്കെൻഡ് ബ്രഞ്ചും ആയിട്ടാണ് ഇന്നും നമ്മൾ വന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്.
Absolutely.
സോ ഒരു വെറൈറ്റി ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു വീക്കെൻഡ് ബ്രഞ്ച്.
ഇതെല്ലാം ഞാൻ അവിടെ ഇവിടുന്നൊക്കെ അടിച്ചു മാറ്റി ഫ്യൂഷൻ ആക്കുന്നതാണ് കേട്ടോ. But still it might be a variety for you and for us this is something that we love to have as a weekend brunch. കാണിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് എന്താണെന്ന് പറയണ്ടേ? എന്താണ്?
ഒരു സ്പൈസി പാൻകേക്ക്. പക്ഷേ നമ്മളുടെ നോർമലി ഇപ്പോൾ പാൻകേക്ക് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മളുടെ മനസ്സിലൊരു ഒരു ഫോട്ടോ കാണും അല്ലേ? പക്ഷെ അതേപോലെ അല്ല, ടോട്ടലി ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു പാൻകേക്ക് ആണ്.
അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെയാണ് അത് ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പം തുടങ്ങാം അല്ലേ?
ഫസ്റ്റ് എന്തുവാ?
ഫസ്റ്റ് വേണ്ടതെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ആദ്യം ഗ്യാസ് ഓൺ ചെയ്യുക. ഗ്യാസ് ഓൺ ചെയ്ത് ആദ്യം ഒന്ന് പാന് ചൂടാവാനായിട്ട് നോക്കുക. ഇതൊക്കെ ഇദ്ദേഹമല്ലേ എക്സ്പേർട്ട്. ഓക്കെ, ചൂടായി. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് ഇനി ആദ്യമായിട്ട് ക്യുമിൻ സീഡ് ഇത് ഇട്ട് കൊടുക്കുക.
ഡ്രൈ റോസ്റ്റ് ഒന്നും ഇട്ടിട്ടില്ല, ഡ്രൈ റോസ്റ്റ്.
ചെറിയ ലോ ഫ്ലെയിമിലേക്ക്, മീഡിയം ടു ലോ ഫ്ലെയിമിലേക്ക് മാറ്റാം. ഓക്കെ, ജീരകം അവിടെ വെച്ച് what we'll do is we'll get the ginger out. ജിഞ്ചറിനെ നമുക്ക് പതുക്കെ
ചോപ്പ് ചെയ്തെടുക്കാം.
So this is done. Hi, Vachi. And today you'll also chop garlic. That's also done. What we will do is put a teaspoon of olive oil. Olive oil, it can be of your choice. And that flame, if I am low flame, I am just going to change it to medium and then add in this freshly chopped ginger and garlic. Wow, garlic and ginger and egg smell, it's coming onto your nostrils, right?
Yeah.
You can smell this, Vachi? You can get that whiff of the smell? Yeah? So now to this, chop pachamalaga. If you don't want the seeds less spicy, then take off the seeds and then you can chop it into these small pieces and add it. So that goes in. Colorful. Yeah? Vachi, see? This is now nicely roasted. It's ready. We'll just move it into a bowl. Okay? We'll switch off the flame. Okay? Now, again I'll switch on the flame. Put it under low flame. Yeah? Low to medium flame. Again a bit of olive oil, or 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil. Ida heat ayi kayinala add a bit of mustard seeds. Rachi, you now see the mustard seeds flutter, like like how you dance on the floor. You start dancing. Other fluttering samayatha, we're gonna quickly chop the onions into long slices. Now to this, since onion and added on, let's add a pinch of salt. I see onions are browning up. High flame lid up. Now that the onions are in. Okay, now it's time to add a dash of turmeric. This is just to get that golden yellow color. Yeah? Like this. See? Like this. Like this. See? Now, see the onion getting into a yellow golden color. This is now time, while Vachi does that, I'm gonna quickly slice the potatoes.
Vachi, hold the handle. Hold the handle
Hold
of the pan.
yeah, like this. Yeah. So while Vachi does that, I'm gonna quickly slice the potatoes. Either already Ranju 5 to 6 minutes microwave boil cheyidittundairunnu. You can even use a normal oven or
With skin.
Yeah, this is with skin, yes.
With skin boil ചെയ്തു.
എന്നാലേ അതിന്റെ ഫ്ലേവർ ലോക്ക് ഇൻ ചെയ്യത്തുള്ളൂ.
എന്നിട്ട് ബോയിൽ ആയതിനു ശേഷം സ്കിൻ അങ്ങ് മാറ്റിയത്.
അത് കൂടുതൽ വേവാതിരിക്കാൻ നോക്കുക. ജസ്റ്റ് half boil. Correct? കൂടുതൽ വെന്താൽ you will not be able to get the slices. Achi, how's the onion doing there? Yellow. Yellow, dirty fellow. Huh? It's not sitting on a buffalo, right?
Sitting on a
Frying pan. Yeah. So the potatoes are ready. Let's add this potato into it. There you go. Now we need to be careful not to use the spatula now. Yeah? Look at Acha. How are you gonna do? See this? It's already boiled. So you're just gonna lock in the flavor. Beautiful, right? See? It's beautiful. See that? It's so beautiful. Yeah, so we'll leave it to sit on the stove on low flame for a minute, and then we'll just quickly switch off the stove. Now it's time to move to the next stuff, which is to get our batter ready. What you start with is you have already got this ginger, garlic and pepper fried. Yeah, so to that you add this all-purpose flour, sieved and going into the bowl. Okay, so that's done. What's next? Batter without salt and spices. So we're gonna put salt and pepper. Okay, we'll add a bit of salt. What's next? Pepper, yes. You want to put pepper into it? Yeah, take a pinch and then drop in like this. So it gives you that spice on the tongue. What's next?
Egg.
Ah, correct. Okay, so egg goes in. Vachi is a expert. My hands are messy, so I'm gonna go wash my hands and come back. Yeah? Okay, hands washed. And now under potato, it's looking good. You need a bit of oil and we need to move it to medium flame. Now. Yeah? So we'll add a bit of oil. Yeah, that's it. And then we'll move it to medium flame. Okay? See, it's become so golden yellow in color. Let it become slightly brown from the bottom, and that's where you get that caramelized taste. Okay, back into the batter. Before you add the milk, you will whisk egg into the batter. Yeah. It's time to add the milk. It's warm milk, slightly warm milk. We'll not add everything into it. We'll add the milk, a bit of milk. Nicely aerated. You see the texture? It's
Loose batter.
loose batter, yeah? Potatoes are done now, so we used to stop the flame and see this nicely browned and golden yellow. So we'll keep it aside, get on to the pancake making. Yeah? It's time for the batter. See, the consistency should be watery, like, you know, so that we get a very thin pancake. Okay, now I brought the pancake in, so it's gone the oven. It's on high flame now. Again, add okay, we've added half a teaspoon of olive oil. Yeah, just spread it across. Okay, the pan's hot, the oil's hot. You bring the pan. Again, mix it well. Don't have the lumps forming. Mix it well, and then take one full portion of this, drop it down, again one more, drop it down, and then just spread this out. It has to be very thin. Yeah, it has to be very thin. Look at this, look at this. You know, the pepper, ginger and garlic, it should come outside the pancake, just like this. Yeah, bring it back to the stove, and look, it looks wonderful even now, right? Now time to move it into low flame, low to medium depending upon the heat. You know, when you really need to tip this to the other side is when you will start seeing the bubbles here. So we'll just wait for that and then we will tip it over. See, now, see the pancake, see this, see this? This is when you get to know that it's time to move to the other side. Let's get this spatula. I hope I tip it over properly. Yeah. Yes. Look, golden yellow. See the bubbles that's happening. That's the fun part of it. This is where you really get to know that your batter is perfect, it's bubbling, and it's getting cooked. It's time to so you can see that this, when it gets bubble, that's the time that you know that it's done. Yeah, so this is the trick where you get to know that the other side is done. So it's done, so it's time to move into a plate. Yeah, nice and thin, wafer thin. Yalla, look at that, look at that. Beautiful. So we'll do one more before we actually do the actual stuffing. Yep. In fact, this time I've got it more thinner. In fact, I used 1.5 portion of the batter, unlike last time where I used 2 portions of batter. Okay, welcome back. We can do up to 5 of those spicy pancakes. Once these things were ready, we need to now make the final pancake roll with the potatoes, spicy potatoes. So I've slightly browned a bit more. This is how Ranju and kids like it here. You can keep it the way that I showed you earlier, but we browned it a little more like this, and now this goes into the roll. So switch off the flame, and now we're going to do this roll. Nice, the potatoes have come very nice. Yeah, so just arrange the stuffing just like this. Look at that brown, golden yellow potatoes. Just keep the stuffing like that, roll it a bit, tuck it in, and then just nicely roll it over. Yeah, beautiful. Let's do one more. Yeah, we'll do one more. You can improvise this stuffing as per your preference. nice. See the brown, golden brown, spicy pancakes. Slightly spicy with ginger, garlic, pepper, green chili, all that inside, gone inside this pancake. Add to that, Ranju has just made a beautiful side for this as a dip. It's nothing but your yogurt with some chaat masala and coriander leaves crushed in. Yeah. So your plating is ready. Here you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Curry and Spices Ranju Zone on the YouTube. Make sure that you visit Ranju's video logs on www.CurryandSpicesRanjusOwn-eps192.com. Short term for Curry and Spices Ranju Zone is Caspro. Check out Instagram, Curry and Spices Ranju Zone. Just type #Curry and Spices Ranju Zone and search. You'll get all the postings. We are there on Pinterest. We are there on Facebook. Yeah. So you'll find us everywhere. Keep us going. Thank you.
Thank you.